Alex, this is what I'm watching. It is Biogen. The shares are down more than 25% now in the pre-market after the company halted its late-stage trials of an experimental Alzheimer's drug. For more, welcome now Max Nisen of Bloomberg Opinion, who writes about pharma and healthcare. Max, welcome. Explain it to us.
Of course. So this was one of the last really big late-stage studies in Alzheimer's, and it's something that Biogen really put as the centerpiece of its pipeline. This was their big bet, and it, of course, has fallen apart. It's something that they and a lot of investors probably should have seen coming, not just because of kind of the rich history of failure in trying to treat Alzheimer's, but the history of failure with the specific approach targeting the amyloid beta protein. There have been, multiple billion-dollar massive trial failures, most recently by Eli Lilly a couple years back. So the scientific consensus is increasingly moving towards believing that either this isn't the way that what we should be targeting to treat Alzheimer's, or that this kind of specific approach that these and other drugs have taken is just kind of fundamentally flawed. And I think that's, especially after this really big flop, that's becoming a consensus.
Quickly, what happens to Biogen now?
They're under a lot of pressure to kind of do something else. Without this kind of big upside, people are going to start paying attention to some of their other problems. Their biggest franchise is multiple sclerosis. It's getting older, sales are flattening, has some IP issues, and their biggest pipeline drug is about, or their biggest newer drug is about to face competition too.